Hi, everybody. So I am coming to you from my bunker in southeastern Wisconsin, where I have been the last 4 days while you've been working on doing stuff online. I've been trying to teach my son second grade math and reading and writing, and tell me that elementary school teachers, they have a much harder job than I do. Anyway, I want to walk you through today. It is very, very simple. If you go on to Schoology, you'll see that there is a digital learning day for March 20th. And if you click on that, there's really nothing for you to do. Please fill out the attendance form. You are watching this screencast right now. And the purpose of the screencast is just to make sure that you're all well aware of what's going to happen in the future. Just a few minutes ago, it is 3:30 on Thursday, Dr. McTagg sent out an email to staff saying that he now knows that he will be calling a digital learning day on March 30th. But beyond that, because everything is changing so quickly, he doesn't exactly know where we're going to be, but that we should be prepared to be learning online maybe through the rest of the school year even. I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm a perpetually positive person. But either way, once we get back from spring break, what you're going to be doing is preparing for your debate. I did originally have a link assignment. I was going to have you start putting down research links on Schoology before spring break. And then I was like, we can do that after spring break. So really, you don't have any assignments to do until we get back together on March 30th. And then I'll be having you start to research information for your Lincoln Douglas debates. And the other thing that I'll have you do is take a look at a sample Lincoln Douglas debate constructive so you can see what one actually looks like. All right. I hope this has been going okay for you. I've been proud that all of you have been logging on every day and that you've at least been filling out the attendance form. If for some reason you didn't do either of the assignments or any of the 3 assignments that I had you do this week yet, please do it today. So you should have filled out and submitted your values assignment. That was on Tuesday. On Wednesday, you should have filled out and submitted your definitions from your resolution statement. That was on Wednesday. And then yesterday, you should have done your timed free write of your contentions and getting your ideas down on paper. That'll give you a good start for where we need to be when we get back after spring break. If you haven't done those things, make sure that you do them. I will not give you zeros on those until tomorrow. So Saturday morning, I'll go through. And for those people who haven't submitted them yet, I will need to give you a incomplete. Okay, have yourselves a great spring break and stay out of trouble. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.